You've built an engine. Everything looks right, but it just won't run. Maybe it runs, but it's weak or inconsistent and nowhere near the performance that you expected. I've been there. Trust me, I know how frustrating that is. You follow a tutorial, adjust a couple things, and still nothing. Imagine fixing that in minutes instead of guessing for days. Many of you may know me as KFPlus LEGO Mastery, and today I'm here to help you out. The Technic Builds and LEGO Engines Discord community, or TBLE for short, is the central place for all things LEGO engineering related. TBLE goes beyond the tutorials. It's where builders figure things out together. Every builder is here for the same reason, to push LEGO engineering further than it's ever gone before. I helped create this server back in 2020 because I needed a place to talk about my LEGO engine designs, and since then it's grown to over 1,300 members. TBLE is different. People work together. It isn't about just posting and hoping for likes. You're breaking down and testing ideas, getting real feedback from experienced builders who make you understand. It's an environment that's both informational yet casual, with a combination of chatting and structured write-ups. Builders at all levels contribute. The knowledge doesn't just come from one person, it's built through discussion. A member joins, asking for help with their engine that they can't seem to get running, explaining their issue. I approach the engine intake. The flywheel rotates a little bit. Good point. It doesn't work. I think that the problem comes from the valve timing. How can I adjust this? They're opening up the door for discussion by asking questions, and I personally responded to their post with a simple solution. Look at just one cylinder and turn the crankshaft to the piston's bottom dead center. Then turn the valve shaft 1/4 of a rotation ahead of the crank in the direction you want the engine to spin. Think of it like hands on a clock, like this. This is how TBLE has been used to help hundreds of people get their LEGO engines running, and it can be helpful to you too. At the core of the server is the shared mindset that no one should doubt the capabilities of their builds, especially if they don't work the first try. As a legend in the community, the oldest known engine builder Laszlo says, "You inventors make me proud. When you think or say something is impossible to build in LEGO, someone will always prove you wrong." From joining TBLE, you become surrounded by like-minded builders who want to see your designs evolve. Getting involved is easy. Feel free to scan the QR code or click the link below to join the server. All you have to do is read the rules to verify, and then you can start chatting with LEGO engineers from all around the world. Together, we are elevating the design, development, and education of LEGO engineering for all, and you can be a part of that. Thanks for watching.